Hello, sweet soul, and welcome back to my channel. I am Ina, and today we're going to enjoy a meditation that will help you connect with your inner masculine energy and step into your power with the knowledge that you are strong and enough. So whenever you're ready, find a quiet and comfortable space to sit or lay down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Exhale slowly. Repeat this a few times to center yourself. Sealing your lips on your inhale, filling up your entire being with the fresh air. And on your exhale, pulling your navel to your spine to get rid of any stale air you might be holding on to, making more space for the fresh and the new. How slowly and deeply can you breathe? Notice how much you can connect with yourself just through your breath. Just a few more. Visualize a powerful and radiant light surrounding you, warming your entire body. This light represents your inner strength and confidence. Imagine yourself standing on the edge of a vast and tranquil ocean. The water is calm, reflecting the clear blue sky above. This ocean represents the depth of your inner power. As you gaze at the ocean, feel the strength of the earth beneath your feet, grounding you and providing a solid foundation. Now, visualize yourself stepping into the water, feeling its cool and rejuvenating energy. With each step, you become more immersed in its depth, symbolizing your willingness to explore your inner strength. As you wade further into the water, acknowledge any doubts or insecurities you might have about your strength or worthiness. See them as small pebbles, and with each step, release them into the depths of the ocean, letting go of self-doubt. With each step, repeat the affirmation, I am strong and I am enough. Feel the words resonate within you, reinforcing your sense of self-worth and power. As you continue to walk into the ocean, visualize the light surrounding you, growing brighter, amplifying your inner strength and confidence. Now, imagine yourself fully immersed in the ocean, floating effortlessly on its surface. Feel the energy of the water infuse you with a sense of empowerment and resilience. Take a few moments to simply float and breathe, embracing the power within you and the knowledge that you are enough just as you are. When you're ready to conclude the meditation, gradually return your awareness to your physical surroundings. Taking your time, gently and slowly waking your body back up. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Carry this sense of inner strength and self-worth with you throughout your day, knowing that you are a powerful and capable being. If you feel like continuing your mindfulness practice now, feel free to have a look at my channel, as I'm also offering yoga classes, breath work, and more meditation besides travel yoga vlogs. So if any of that resonates with you now, please enjoy taking some more time for yourself and making yourself the priority. You're welcome back anytime, and I appreciate you letting me guide you through today's class. The love and light in me sees and honors the love and light in you. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.